Hi everyone, it's Janet Bruce. We are at the St. Anne Bellevue locks and we're watching a boat go through. A lot of you know about locks, but not many of you have ever seen one. This boat has just sailed in, and what they're doing is letting the water out of the other lock to fill up this one so they can go up the lake instead of going through the rapids or the falls. Now, we've had kind of a rough time this trip. Not anything wrong with us or the van, but a lot of the national parks, at least in Quebec, are closed. Apparently, after Labor Day, that's the end of your visits, even though that's when the seniors come out and you can have beautiful weather. So it's kind of been a little bit of a bummer. Forts are closed. Everything's closed. The locks still work. They probably will until the freeze. So it's kind of nice to be able to see something on your trip. This is the high side of the lock. And I think they're probably waiting to see if anybody's going to come for the low side before they pump the water out from the high side to the low side. And the sidewalk and the steps are all floating and will go up as the water goes up. I hope we get to see this boat go up. Now let's continue walking down here and we'll see the rest of the boats.
The doors are now open. It didn't rise that much, just enough, and the boat is able to sail away. And she's on her way.
So there's the boats tied up. Not sure if they're waiting to go down or they're just sitting there and deciding that this is a beautiful place to stop and have a picnic. As you can see, there are picnic tables all along the sidewalk. I don't know. What would you do? I think I would stop and have a picnic here.
big.
Yeah. There's more than a kitchen.
There's a bed. That's the what? That's the
There's the wheels. That's custom made.
Yeah.
And then it's down there. And then it goes at the end. They're going to open up. They have this other machinery.
So yeah, the machine. More of these. We should check it out. So no, these are red-eared sloths.